Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Getein Biotech D-Dimer Fast Test Kit. This is the top view of the box. You can see the brand name over here, Getein Biotech, and this comes up with 25 test cartridges, and this is a C certified IVD product. And now I'm just going to show you the side view of the boxes. This is the side view. You can see the brand name over here, Getein Biotech, and product name D-Dimer Fast Test Kit. This is an Immunofluorescence Assay. You can see the reference number over here, IF1006, and this comes up with a 25 test, which is compatible with Getein 11100. And over here you can find the product name D-Dimer, and here are the storage condition. This box should be stored in 4 degree to 30 degrees Celsius, and once the pack is open, it should be used within 1 hour once the foil pack is open. And over here you can find the brand name, and over here you can find the manufacturing detail. Now I'm just going to unbox this for your reference. Here at the top you can find the instruction manual for D-Dimer Fast Test Kit Immunofluorescence Assay. This comes up with a content and precautions and procedure. This is the instruction manual for Getein D-Dimer Fast Test Kit. I am just going to place this aside. Place this aside. After that, you can find the quantified number of disposable pipette to load the sample. This is sterilely packed pipettes to transfer samples. I am just going to place this aside. Over here you can find SD card for DDimerTest kit Getein. I'm just going to place this aside. Here you can find 25 number of sample diluent for D-Dimer. Each are separately packed in a pent of tube. I'm just going to paste this aside. After that, you can find 25 number of test cards. You can find the brand name Getein Biotech and product name D-Dimer Fast Test Kit Immunofluorescence Assay. This is a C certified product. Each pack consists of one test inside. Once you open the seal, you should be use this test in 1 hour. You can find the instruction over here, and storage condition should be 4 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. And at the bottom you can find the manufacturing detail. This is the content present in this pack. I'm just going to place this aside. You can find 25 number of test packs inside the box. To summarize, inside the box you will have one instruction manual, 25 number of sample diluent, 25 number of disposable pipette, and one SD card for D-Dimer test kit, and 25 number of D-Dimer fast test kits. These are the product present inside the box. Thank you.
So this is the D-Dimer test kit. The kit will be containing kit inside 25 disposable pipettes and 25 test cards. There will be one calibration SD card and 25 diluents. let's start the procedure. So, first step is calibration with SD card. This is the SD card. Insert the SD card in the slot. Then press the OK message. This is one-time calibration for whole kit of 25 tests. Remove the SD card. To enter patient details, press on the plus button. Enter name, age, and gender. Then we have to select sample type. For D-dimer, plasma, and whole blood can be used. So we are using whole blood today. So we will select whole blood here. Then after that, click on the tick button. Now it is finished. For collecting sample for D-dimer, we use sodium citrate tubes. So I'll take one test card out. Then I'll take one disposable pipette. This pipette is actually 100 microliter pipette. You can use other normal laboratory pipette also. I'm taking the sample. So I have collected 100 microliter whole blood sample. Now I am mixing the sample with diluent. You have to mix it for 10 times. So after mixing, from the diluent, I will take 100 microliter. You have to add the sample in the test card. Take the test card, immediately insert in the slot. Then press start button. So the countdown will start. Once it is 0, it will give you the result. So the total test time will be 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the result has come. The result is less than 0.1. So it is a negative result. So as you can see in the slip, whatever comes less than 0.5 is negative and above 0.5 it is positive. Thank you.